ATL Automotive Bodyworks, we utilize a bend pack vehicle hoist, which allows fast and easy loading of vehicles onto the Global-jig universal jig, which is used for body alignment. The Global-jig system allows us to mount and repair nearly all manufacturers' passenger vehicle and light-duty trucks currently in the market. For our customers, this means chassis repairs to manufacturer guidelines specifications. A chassis alignment also ensures a smoother ride and contributes to a better behind-the-wheel experience, not to mention contributing to improved steering, as proper alignment means you're able to maintain stable control of your vehicle. Proper alignment also means longer-lasting tires, as misalignment may lead to premature and uneven tire wear and can lead to buying new tires more frequently.